Hi, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the free UK network on your phone, on your Android phone. So let's get started. What we need to do first of all is get into our settings, and then we go down to more, we go to mobile networks, and first of all we need to make sure also that our data connection is off. So just have a look there and make sure that is off. If it's not off, turn it off. We then need to go to access point names and then select the SIM. This is a dual SIM phone, so I need to select which APN or which SIM's APN that I'm going to change. So I want to do my free, so I select my free SIM, and then we have the APN settings in here. Now I've already set up the free network on here, so what we're going to do, we're going to set up a new APN. So I go to my menu button, I select new APN, and then the first one here is name, so I'm going to call this free UK new, so we know these are the new settings that we're doing. Now on the APN type we put in free .co.uk. Sorry, not the APN type, the APN. Then on the APN type we want to select default, MMS and supl. Proxy, we don't need to set that. Port, don't need to set. Username, password, server, we don't need to set. Now the MMSC is for your MMS multimedia messaging. Now for the purposes of this demonstration I don't need to set that up, so I won't set that up. However, in the video description I'll put the settings that you need to put in there. So MMSC don't need to do, MMS Proxy don't need to do, MMS Port don't need to do, MCC 234, MNC 20, authentication type select none, APN Protocol IPv4, APN Roaming Protocol IPv4, APN Enable Disable, enable it, and the bearer unspecified. Now what we need to do is now press our menu button again and then save. Okay, now you can see that new APN that we've created there. Now if you've got multiple APNs on there, you need to select the APN that you want to use. So for my free SIM I want to use this new one that I've done here, so I select that and make sure that dot is selected. Now that means that is when I turn the internet on, it's going to use those settings. If I go back in there, you can see it's the dot is selected in there. If I quickly just show you the MMSC settings there, and the MMS Proxy again, and the MMS Port again, I'll put this in the video description so you can set those if you want to, but like I said, for the purposes of demonstration I just need to show the internet, so I've just set the basic internet settings up. So that is selected now. If I go back, now I can select the data connection on here, or on my phone, this is what I like to do, is go up here, go to the quick settings, see the data connection there, I select that. Now as it's a dual SIM phone I need to select which SIM I want the data coming from, so I want that coming from here. You see a little animation and then you'll see a blue SIM, maybe it may be green on your phone, but importantly up here you can see that the SIM that I've just turned the data on, it's got a H on it and it's got some little arrows going up and down. That means I'm now getting data. So if I go to the internet now, let's go to our website, and then you can see the data has worked and it's enabled and I'm able to browse the internet. So I hope that helps you. Now if you've got another SIM, different sort of network, you can input the APNs in a similar way, so do have a look online, you should be able to find the settings you need, but for the free network in the UK those are the settings. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please like and share, and make sure you subscribe to our channel.